Hello crafters, again welcome. Today we are going to share some beautiful rustic jute bottle decor ideas. It's DIY flower and beautiful vase. You can turn them into simple jars with the help of jute from waste bottle at home. You can turn into very extraordinary pieces. So discover stunning rustic jute craft ideas to transform waste bottles into elegant DIY flower vases, candle holder, and some fairy lights. Perfect for home decor for this season, this Xmas season. These crafting ideas are very sustainable, eco-friendly crafting and budget-friendly creativity. These classy designs brings a natural handmade touch to your space. Recycle, decorate, and create beautiful rustic bottle crafts at home effortlessly. So, these simple designs, simple bottle ideas from simple and ordinary things turned into very extraordinary piece with the help of jute, burlap, and some green and red touch waste bottle into classic just rustic jute decor pieces. With these easy DIY ideas and getting ideas from this video, you can make your own creativity piece, elegant and extra piece. Create a beautiful handmade flower vase that adds charm to your home while being eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Perfect for gifting, decorating, or adding a natural touch to your living space. Hope you enjoying these ideas and designs. We are celebrating this holiday and trying to the best designs for you. So this video is perfect for you because jute rope craft is very amazing to your for you. So mindfulness and relaxation. Now talk about this. Crafting keeps you focused and calm, reducing stress and anxiety, creativity and skills building. Each designs improve problem solving and imaginative thinking. Motor skills, cutting, gluing and painting helps improves hand-eye coordination. Eco-friendly reuses wooden sticks, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Homemade charm, perfect for personalized gift and unique home decor. You can make some beautiful extra charm. Business potential. Wooden sticks crafts can be sold at markets or online as affordable creative decor. So there you have it, the beautiful world of creative bottles, the mason jars. Simple, creative, budget-friendly, and filled with benefits for your mind, home, and even a small business opportunity. Try making few designs today. A photo frame and a little jars with the help of jute and burlap, and even a festive wreath you can make. I want to tell you about extra ideas. You will be surprised how relaxing and joyful this craft can be. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative DIY inspiration. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. We are part of this journey. And we are definitely try to upload that amazing creation for everyone who wants to make something beautiful. As we shown you these bottle crafting ideas, these bottles reduces amazing beneficials for our earth. So hope you enjoying ideas and design. These crafting ideas are literally very amazing and beautiful video collection. Thank you for joining us today. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We want to share something extra and beautiful for our viewers. So thanks once again. Be a part of this journey and we will definitely try to upload and making something new and unique. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. Happy holiday. Thanks for being here, and God bless you all.